Well, hello, class. I am really looking forward to taking this online class with you through the next 7 weeks through summer session 2. I think you're really going to enjoy a lot of facets of this class. Um, it's really simulating an interactive online class that has a classroom in it because there are going to be, believe it or not, each week 20, I'm sorry, each week we're going to have 4 DQs to answer and discussion questions. And the idea is you'll be bouncing off of me, bouncing off of each other, answering these questions, which are very related to the concepts learned in the chapters. Now, what I want you to know is each day, all right, of this course, there is a reading, listening, and viewing part, and there's also a learning activities part. And the reading, listening, and viewing part, essentially, all of the theory that you would take in a classroom at a lecture is going to be there. You'll also notice that some of these lecture sessions have been preluded by videos made by moi and kind of explaining what's going on for that week. This isn't rocket science. It's not a lot of like written down work, but I'm looking for a couple of substantive paragraphs in each DQ. But the thing to remember is if you bounce off of me, then bounce off of another student, you're doing that in one DQ. For example, if I asked you, what are some of the motivational theories of Hertzberg or Maslow or something like that, you respond back to me in a paragraph or two, and then you might say, okay, I'm going to respond to Jordan in the class, and you'll say, for example, within that thread, you'll say, in response to Jordan's thread, blah, blah, blah. If you are the first one to respond in the post, then you would not be able to bounce off of anyone because they haven't posted yet, right? So you would give me a little bit more than 2 paragraphs. And then next person would bounce off of what, off of the question, and then say in response to not Professor DeChico, in response to Jordan's remark, if he were the first one, or if he were the second one, essentially that's the way you would respond. So what I'm asking you to do here is I'm asking you essentially to be able to answer all of these DQs week by week, and then you're going to have your individual assignments. There's only going to be 2. There's going to be a couple of essays that are going to be in week 2 and in week 4. And also the due dates are posted. So the hardest part of this whole thing really is to keep up with the DQs and to write the essays and so forth. Look at the webcams, look at the YouTube videos, and also on the posted syllabus, you will be able to see all of the things that are required, how many points are in everything. But all of the weeks are there for you, week 1 through week 7. In addition to that, my phone number, which you can call or text, is on my syllabus. If you get stuck, you can always reach out to me. That's not a problem. And that's really just about it. When you go to your landing page, when you first open up Blackboard, all of the announcements are there. When you first log on, go to the announcements first. Most of you, I know I have some traditional students in this class. You know how I work with Blackboard. But it's pretty user-friendly. Always go to the announcements first, then go to the syllabus, and you can order your books right from the link that I put up there. You'll also notice that you will be able to download your PowerPoints as well, and you will have module folders week by week. The PowerPoints are very easy to use. You can just download them on your desktop, or you can open them up just to give you assistance with things. But everything that's in your lecture notes will refer to a PowerPoint that I've uploaded for you. Um, Again, week by week, it's pretty user friendly. Okay, so the PowerPoints are right under the module folders week by week. The syllabus is there. The links from ordering books are there, and you know how to get me. So outside of that, that's pretty much it. And look forward to seeing you on the first day of class online, and that will be July 8th. Thank you.